Frosties! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! So, kung hindi ka pa subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified, of course, sa mga videos and upcoming videos, whether recipes or workout, whatever, right? So, yun. Anyways, ngayon, napakasimple lang natin gagawin. I'm gonna do a keto version of Frosty ng Wendy's. Friend, kung nag-crave ka sa Frosty pero naka-low carb at keto diet ka, well, crave no more. This is your way to go. Napakasimple lang. Ito ang ating mga kailanganin. List down, but I'm gonna put a label din para makita nyo at you can follow along if you want to. Anyways, so ang kailangan natin ay 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of Swerve powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and just a pinch of salt. So, napakadili, di ba? Gawin na natin kasi imimix lang naman lahat yan eh. So, ito na nga mga besh. So, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. There you have it. Lagay lang natin sa bowl. And then, half cup of unsweetened almond milk. Let's do the 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. And then, 2 tablespoons of Swerve powdered sugar. Let's do that. Kung gusto mo ng medyo a little bit sweeter, you can do like 2.5 to 3 tablespoons. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And of course, just a pinch of salt. Lagyan natin ng konti lang. Bash. That should be good. I-mix lang natin yan hanggang mag-form ng stiff peak. Basta lumapot yung whipping cream. Okay, so that's it. It's thick enough. Just a note lang, no? If you want it to be parang thicker, you can use, or kung wala kayong almond milk, you can use pure whipping cream. So, gagawin mo lang siyang 1.5 cups of whipping cream instead of 1 cup of whipping cream tapos half cup of almond milk. So, kung wala kang almond milk, then just do pure whipping cream. That's good. And it's easier actually na maging stiff yung kung pure whipping cream. Kaya lang, medyo binawasan ko ang whipping cream because I want the unsweetened almond milk. So, yun! Mga besh, ilalagay lang natin ito sa... I use piping bag, pero kung wala kang piping bag, kahit ziplock lang, besh, pwede na yan. So, ilalagay lang natin to. Ako, I have this cover para naka-cover siya when you put it in the freezer. Kung wala naman, you can use, siguro takpan mo na lang siya ng saran wrap or something lang para hindi siya mag-spill. Yung other end naman, twist mo lang siya. And then you can use any yung pang-seal. Ako, I have this thing. And then, if i-freeze lang natin siya for about 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, so guys, it's been an hour. Actually, took me 1 hour. Isang oras ko siyang finreeze. Let's do this. yun na nga guys, tapos na. Kumakain na ako ngayon. Medyo natunaw na nga dahil kanina ko pa nilabas sa freezer. Tastes like Wendy's Frosty talaga. Yung mga, naubos na ng mga anak ko yung part nila. Ito, part ko to. So, once again, thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And kung if you try this, let me know how it goes for you in the comments below. At mga besh, stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you all. Bye-bye! How does it taste, boys?
It tastes so yummy.
So yummy. Tastes like Wendy's Frosty, huh? Have you tasted it? Look.
It's like pudding mixed with Wendy's Frosty.
Oh, nice. Yummy.